Today we're going to talk about operations management. Operations management is the way that companies get stuff made. The formal definition of operations management is the system which a business uses to make things in an organized way. In other words, it's the way the business does things to get stuff made. Let's start a business. What do you need to know? You have to have inputs, processes, and outputs. The inputs of the business are what you need to make the product. The process is how you make it. The outputs are the end results, what you made, and the money that it makes, and the happy customers that you create. So I had an idea for a business. We're gonna make friendship bracelets for the school fair. We've been asked to have a little booth and make something, and this is what we've chosen to make. How does the bracelet get made? Well, the inputs are the string, the beads, the scissors, the kids that we need to make them, the tables or the workspace that we're going to use, and the money that we have that we spend on the beads and the supplies that we need for the endeavor. The process is we first have to buy the supplies, then we pick the bracelet colors, then we make the bracelets, then we check the quality of the bracelets and make sure that they are tied tightly and are going to stay together. Then we put them in bags, and finally, we're gonna take them to the school fair. The outputs are the finished product. It's when we have the finished bracelet, we hand it to the customer, they pay us money, and then they're happy. Those are the outputs of the business. This happens in real companies too. For instance, a place like Starbucks gets the beans, the milk, the sugar, the flavoring. Those are the inputs. Then the baristas make the coffee drinks. Then they hand the cup to you or your mom, because maybe you don't drink